Hey guys, today we're gonna troubleshooting the problem appearing on ChatGPT that too many requests in 1 hour. So the process is going to be very simple. Just watch the video till the end and make sure to follow all the steps properly. Alright, so moving towards the solution one, which is first of all you have to go to your command prompt, and over there you have to type ipconfig/flush DNS, and it will basically flush all the corrupted DNS of your desktop or laptop. So simply after flushing the DNS, you're gonna go to ChatGPT again and reload the page and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if it's still the same, then move to the next solution, which is clearing the browsing data. So for that, you're gonna go to your browser settings, and over there you have to go to privacy and security, and here you will find clear browsing data. So just simply go ahead and clear all the browsing data, and after clearing the browsing data you will get a resetted version of your browser. And after doing this, you're gonna go to ChatGPT and log in over there, and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If it's fixed, then it's perfect. Now the third thing you need to do is to go for a VPN. Simply go to your Google Chrome web store and search for a VPN extension. I recommend you to add this collab VPN. It's a very good and efficient VPN. So simply connect the VPN to your browser, and after that it will say that to log in with your ChatGPT again. So you have to log in and check if the problem is fixed or not. Alright, so once you have logged in with your ChatGPT, and most probably your ChatGPT will be fixed. Alright guys, so if anything doesn't work from these solutions, then here is a free alternative for ChatGPT. So simply go to your Google Chrome web store, and over there you have to search for ChatGPT, and here we have an extension named ChatGPT for Google. Now you can see it's as similar as ChatGPT, but I think it's a real ChatGPT. So simply you can go and try the ChatGPT over here until the original one will be fixed. So these are some solutions through which you can fix your ChatGPT error. So all for today's video guys. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.